Would you rather taste or just watch? Most people are gonna say taste, but I'm gonna tell you something. You already made your decision before the first bite. You sit down at a restaurant. They bring out chips and salsa. You're just eating, not thinking. You're not even that hungry, but you keep eating, and then your food comes out. You haven't touched it. You haven't smelled it, but just looking at it. That's the moment. We pretend taste decides, but your eyes got there first. Vision sets the stage, everything else follows. You lean in, your eyes start scanning everything, the color, the texture, the way it's plated. Then your nose catches up, but by then, it's already over. You decided when you saw it. Now let's bring AI into this, because people think AI is here to cook. It's not. AI doesn't cook. It creates the moment before the bite. Mint AI builds agentic workflows for attention before taste even arrives. It's the choreography of seeing. From prompt to plating shot to publish automated, vision is the recipe. I is the line chef for attention. And it never gets tired. I asked AI for the perfect burger. Double smash, butter toast, melt timing, flip close up. And I didn't change anything. I almost did, but I trusted it. And when I saw it, I knew this works. People don't fall in love with food when they taste it. They fall in love when they see it first. Think about what you've been cooking, your ideas, your skills. Now imagine people actually seeing it. That's what I'm building with Mint AI. Stay close.